So going back out on trail is always nerve-wracking. Technically yesterday was a 0, even though I drove all day. And we just found out our reservation has to be returned at 8. It's 7:21, and we were planning on drying our clothes that aren't dry in the machine downstairs at 8. So I had to pay $12 or something to have it changed to 9. I wish I could have said like 10 or something, but whatever. It's better than getting charged up to $70, per hour. I don't like going back out when I'm in town. I mean, it's technically not a 0, but we've returned the car, and now we have a 3-mile hike to the bus station.
That's what we do.
That's what we do. What sound does Pac-Man make?
Waka waka waka.
Waka 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 waka.
It's time for a snack.
It's time for a snack.
9:46.
Yeah. There's that PCT hiker. I see his PCT tag.
Oh yeah. He's going north then with us.
Uh-huh.
I wonder where we should go.
I don't have enough space. I ate one of these for breakfast. I get to eat 2 for lunch. Thought it was a good idea in theory, but it's not.
You got too much food again. Every time. We'll get it right eventually. Maybe. Oh, I didn't think of that.
This is Truckee. We'll be here for just a couple of minutes. We'll let some passengers off.
So we got picked up by a badass game developer. Can't tell us what she's doing, but she works for Riot. And we're gonna go up that way. And this place has a bathroom. And you come from one of those directions, I don't know. But it has a porta potty and water. And we invited him, because she was cool with it, to hitch with us because he was on the bus when we got picked up. It's the best way to carry it, crunched. Takes up less space. Eat with a spoon so your dirty fingers aren't in there. Jerky. We got 2 rolls each. Trying to eat as much food as we can. Oh, and I said that way, I think. The trail marker's right like there. You can see that. No cars. Oh, no car. Well, when we can. It's 1:23. 123. And back into the wild, this time, Northern California. Past couple videos, some of you may have noticed that Jenny's not in camera shot. That's because lately she has been hiking behind me to stay with me, so we're not as lonely. It's been nice, even though I think I'm holding her back, but she's putting in less effort, so she's kind of resting while being active. That's what monsters do, right? Ooh, let me show you this. Down there's the road. And I believe that's South Lake Tahoe, right?
No, that is Donner Lake.
Oh, Donner Lake.
Tahoe's like on the other side of those mountains.
Oh, yeah. Duh. All right. This is a cool way to enter.
That is beautiful.
Yeah. first 15, 20 feet. Yeah, I hope so. We're still right here, and we can't go that way. So we're gonna go down rocks. So we already encountered snow, but we'll just take it easy and slow. And yeah, I'm gonna put the phone away. Woo.
Oh yeah, we gotta probably put our snow slips on.
Snow baskets. Definitely having to walk through snow. Definitely having a post hole. It's okay, it's not, I'm not tired of it yet. Yours truly just had to navigate that bull crap. Post hole and almost breaking his ankle every 5 seconds. Well, that's pretty. I wish I could have showed you that, but I fell through an ice bridge into an ice cold river, into a stream underneath, and my shoes are soaked. Stepped in more water. I've been dealing with this for a long time, but I thought you should see. Made it to the highway. You're welcome, everybody behind us. Shit. Wow. Nope, I can't see. It's like water. I mean, it's water. Oh.
Yeah.
Supposed to cross right here. But Jenny's gonna cross up there where there's a log. I'll join her. Probably a dog. All right, so we got, I don't even know what mile marker we're at. I'll put it on the screen.
We've done like 4 miles.
Yeah, we've done like 4 miles.
No, 4 miles in 3.5
In
hours.
3 hours. No, we started at
3
1:23.
hours. Okay.
Yeah, 3 hours. And this is miserable. And I was half joking when I said, you just want to go back to a hotel room or something. And I guess that was the snowball that all 3 of us are probably going to go back to town right now. We are going to get a hotel room, split it, get a good meal, figure it out, and
We don't want to do this.
yeah,
this is terrible.
Pardon my language. This is bullshit. We're turning around and going back to the highway you just saw. I think, no, we still can't see it, but we'll go back. Okay. Bye. They're talking and I have no idea what they're saying. Yeah, we're coming back across. I was serious. And I need to help Jenny in case she falls. Take your time. Take your time. Okay.
Yep.
We got 50 minutes until she can pick us up. Same great person, same great doggo. Also, if you want to see some nasty feet, Jenny has, what's it called? Keratosis? Maybe? Maybe.
Some sort of bacterial infection. Pretty sure.
Yum.
It's an oddly named place. I don't know how much you guys know.
And you got fox, and you,
Yeah, maybe fox.
but it's probably coyote.
Here we are just hiking the PCT. Yep. Beautiful. Not lying at all. What are you doing there?